probably the last thing you expect to see in a classroom. Not for this group of physics students at MSUM who put on the physics show. With a vortex cannon, exploding balloons, and more intriguing experiments, the Society of Physics Students has a mission behind their show.
This is all about outreach. It's about showing people what physics can be. A lot of times we just see equations on a board or an old professor talking and using words that we've never heard before, and none of it really makes sense and it all seems very scary.
But these students have been able to convince the audience that physics can be far from scary. From reserving the room to mapping out the experiment, the physics show is put together by the students.
Tyler, what did you do to these balloons?
While the show draws an audience of all ages, there is one group the society has a soft spot for.
I liked all of it.
The kids.
Well, they've got the rest of their lives to love science. Science is really, really cool. The earlier we can expose someone to it, and the earlier we can have them start asking questions about their world, the more time they have to explore.
Oh, that was just sweet!
And as for what the larger audience takes away from this,
I hope it's that science is fun. It's not just grease boards of equations. There's experiments that we do to test things in nature to prove and state why things work the way they do.
to the members of the Society of Physics Students, they may just be organizing a show. But for many of the families that show up, it's a day they don't want to be over.
Are we gonna do some more?
With photographer Naoya Uchida, Onize Ohikere, Campus News.